Ever wondered if you could actually get a green dot card without handing over your social security number? Let's find out. First, understand that green dot requires identity verification. While a social security number is commonly used, it's not always the only option. Begin by checking the green dot website or app for alternative ID verification methods. Look for options like a driver's license, passport, or other government's photo ID. Pay close attention to the fine print during the application. Green dot must comply with federal regulations to prevent fraud, and identity verification is a key part. If you're unsure, contacting Green Dot's customer service directly is your best bet. Ask them specifically about using alternative forms of ID to open an account without a social security number. Explain your situation clearly. Keep in mind, certain features or spending limits may be restricted if you don't provide a social security number, so check the fine print. While it's not guaranteed, exploring alternative ID methods and contacting Green Dot directly can help you determine if you can get a card without a social security number. Good luck!